Hi! We're in the middle of an atmospheric river. So you know what we decided to do? We're gonna go somewhere into the woods and we're gonna cook a mountain man breakfast. So you know what we decided to do? We're gonna go somewhere into the woods and we're gonna cook a mountain man breakfast in the lodge. Grocery store and we're going to pick up a few ingredients. We found our spot, and first things first, we got to get the canopy up so we can have some shelter from the rain. Yep, bears, here we go. Leann's got the fire going, and I'm gonna start prepping the mountain man, or woman I should say, breakfast. We're gonna let this fire burn down a little bit, get some coals, and we're gonna put the lodge on. Got the bacon here. I'm gonna start cooking the bacon. Woo. Yummy! Shot at me. Okay, sure. In goes the onions, the cilantro, and the red peppers. And now I'm gonna put in the hash browns. Ooh. That's good.
Hi! Now adding the egg mixture to the Mountain Woman Madness Hash Brown Mountain Breakfast. Now I'm adding cheese.
Is it hot? Now we wait patiently.
Coming out nicely. Did you oil the bottom? Or is that just pork fat?
Yeah, just the fat.
That's awesome.
Mountain Woman. Mountain Woman Madness.
Madness hash?
Mountain Man Woman's breakfast. Yum. It's so good. Yum. Oh, we just finished eating our breakfast. It was really good. A breakfast for lunch because I think it's around 2 p.m. now.
We're sitting here by this beautiful river. It's quite loud. I'm sure you can hear it. Great day to get out of the city and into the woods.
Just gonna enjoy the fire for a little bit now.
Yeah.
Listen to the river because the river is one of my favorite things to listen to because we used to go camping when I was little up to Manning Park, and we would camp right by the river at Mule Deer Campground, and I've always loved camping by rivers. They're my favorite.
Mine too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Meow.
We're gonna pack up now and head home. Our stomachs are full and my spirit has been lifted. so now I can go home.
And it's time to go sit on the couch for a while.
Yeah, it's couch time.
Couch time. Smoke in my eye. All right, that's the end of this episode.
So please like and subscribe.
We would really appreciate it. And remember,
Bon adventuring!